Hello grade 5, how are you all? Welcome back to your Elga class. Okay, so today we are going to learn, we are continuing the poem, right? A poem we are learning. What is that poem? Yes, in the bazaars of Hyderabad. Okay, yeah, who is the poetess? Who wrote this poem? Yes, Sarojini Naidu. Okay, she is also known as Nightingale of India. Okay, for her poem she got this name Nightingale of India. Right? Yeah. Two stanzas we learned. Right? Two stanzas. You wrote also your weekly assessment. Right? Yes. So, yeah. Today we are going to learn the third stanza. Okay. Shall we revise that two stanzas once? Yeah? Yes, all of you take your book, page number 19. Page number 19. Yes. So this is a conversation between a seller and a customer. Okay, buyer and the seller. Okay, yeah. What do you sell, O ye merchants? What richly your wares are displayed. Okay, and turbans of crimsons and silver, tunics of purples and brocades, purple brocades, mirrors with panels of amber, and daggers with handles made up of jade. Okay, yeah. Next stanza. Yes. What do you weigh, O ye vendors? Sandalwood, right? Sorry, saffron, lentil, and rice, right? Yeah. And what do you grind, O ye maidens? What do you grind? Sandalwood, henna, and spices. Then what do you call? What do you call? What do you scream, O ye peddlers? And what they say? Yeah, we scream for chessmen and ivory dice. Okay, yeah. Now we are going to learn the third stanza. Okay, twice I will read it, next I will explain. Okay, yeah. What do you make, O ye goldsmith? Wristlet and anklet and ring. Bells for the feet of blue pigeons. Frail as a dragonfly's wing. Girdles of gold for the dancers. Scabbards of gold for the king. Okay. So, what do you make, O ye goldsmiths? What do you make, O ye goldsmiths? A wristlet and anklet and ring. Okay. Bells for the feet of blue pigeons. Frail as a dragonfly's wings. Girdles of gold for the dancers. Scabbards of gold for the king. Okay. So, I will read it. You should read after me. Okay. One by one. Each line I will read. You should repeat. Okay, children? What do you make, O ye goldsmiths? A wristlet and anklet and ring. Bells for the feet of blue pigeons. Bells for the feet of blue pigeons. Frail as a dragonfly's wing. Girdles of gold for the dancers. Scabbards of gold for the king. Very good. Thank you so much. And now I'll explain it. Okay. So first two stanza you all understand and you all learned. Right? Okay. Yeah. What do you make, O ye goldsmiths? Goldsmiths, what they make? What are you making, O ye goldsmith? Goldsmith will make jewels. Okay. goldsmith will make jewels. And what he said? We are making wristlet. Wristwatch. Wristlet means bracelet. Okay, bangles, bracelet is wristlet. Okay, yeah. Next, anklet. Anklet you will wear in your feet. What is that? Is golusu. Okay, golusu. Yeah, that is one. And ring. Okay, earring. This ring maybe. Okay. So he said we are making golds. Okay. What do you make, oh ye goldsmiths? We are making gold jewels like wristlets. That means bracelet. Then anklet and ring. Okay. Yeah. Next. Bells for the feet of blue pigeons. Okay. Bells. Small bells for the feet of blue pigeons. For pigeons we will make what? Bells. Small bells. Okay. And frail as a dragonfly's wing. You all know dragonfly? Dragonfly, what you will say in Tamil? I don't know. Dragonfly is tumbi. Tumbi. How I can say that? Tatanbuchi. Yeah. That is what dragonfly is. Have you seen that wings? It is so soft, right? Yeah? Yeah, it is weak and it can break easily. If you catch that dragonfly, you must be very careful. Or else what will happen? Its wings may break. Okay, so what? That is what frail is. Okay, frail. Frails as a dragonfly's wings. So frail is weak or breaks easily. Okay, leaves becomes frail in autumn. The meaning of that is, a sentence is leaves. You all know leaves, right? Yeah, that will make frail in autumn season. Autumn season, leaves will fall, right? Yeah, at that time, the leaves will be how it look like. It's very weak. If you catch that, what will happen? It will break. Okay. Yeah. So that is frail. Yeah. Frail as a dragonfly's wings. Next is girdles of gold for dancers. Okay, we will make girdles. What do you mean by girdles? Girdles. Dancers will use girdles. What we can say, while we perform Bharatanatyam, we must use that girdles. It will make sound according to that beat. Girdles. Do you know what is that girdle is? Chilanga. Okay, chilanga. Dancers will use chilanga, right? That is girdles. Lot of bells are there. Small bells are there in that girdle, right? And when you what we can say, beat your feet according to the beat, it will give sound, a sweet sound, right? Yeah, that is girdles. So Goldsmith is saying that we also make girdles for the dancers, girdle of gold for the dancers. Okay, yeah. Then scabbards of gold for the king. Scabbards of gold for the king. That means scabbard means nothing but cover for a knife. Okay, simple. Cover for a knife or dagger. Okay, so scabbard, a cover for a dagger or a knife. King had gem patterns in the scabbards of their dagger. Okay, so they also saying that we will make, or we are making, scabbards of gold for the king. Okay, just imagine that Bahubali movie. I don't know how many of you have seen that movie, and in that movie, that what can I say, kings, they will daggers and knife, right? They will take it out from a cover, right? Yes or no? A cover is fixed in that knife and they will take it off. Take that knife off from that cover, right? That is what scabbards is. Okay, that is made of gold. We are making gold scabbards for a king, for kings. Okay, children, scabbards of gold for the kings. Okay, is it clear? Okay, children. So once again. Okay, yeah. What do you make, OA goldsmiths? Goldsmith, you all know. Goldsmith will make jewels. Okay, things from gold. Okay, things from gold. That's okay. And what is their answer? We will make wristlets, anklets, and ring. Okay, and ring. We are making wristlets means bracelet, wristlet. Anklet means golusu, and ring means molla. Okay, rings. And bells for the feet of blue pigeons. Not only that, we also make bells, small bells for the feet of pigeons. Okay, then frail as a dragonfly's wings. Okay, frails as a dragonfly's wings. Frail means weak or break easily. Okay, as a dragonfly's wings. And not only that, girdles of gold for the dancers. Okay, girdles of gold for the dancers. You all know now what is girdle, right? Yeah, what is it? Chelanga. Okay, chelanga with lot of small bells. Okay, we should use while dancing. Then only it will make noise, sweet noise according to the beat. Okay, yeah. Next, scabbards of gold for the kings. That means the cover of a dagger or a knife. Okay, we also make cover for king's knife with using gold. Okay. Okay, children, this is what about your poem. Okay, what poem? In the bazaars of Hyderabad. Okay, children, shall I read it again? Yeah, full 3 stanzas. Okay. What do you sell, O ye merchants? Richly your wares are displayed. Turbans of crimson and silver, tunics of purple brocade, mirrors for panels of amber, daggers with handles of chains. What do you weigh, O ye vendors? What do you measure, O ye vendors? Saffron and lentil and rice. Then what do you grind, O ye maidens? What you were grinding? What are you making powder? What is that? Sandalwood, henna and spice. Okay, sandalwood, henna and spice. Then what do you call, O ye peddlers? What do you scream, O ye peddlers? What they said? We are screaming, we are calling out chessmen and ivory dice. Okay, chessmen, we are selling chessmen and ivory dice. Okay, then now we learned this 3rd stanza. What is that? What do you make, O ye goldsmith? What he said? Wristlets and anklets and ring. Okay, and not only that, what? Bells for the feet of blue pigeons, frails as a dragonfly's wings, girdles of gold for the dancers, scabbards of gold for the king. Okay, children. So today we learned 3rd stanza. Okay, 3rd stanza, 3 meanings also we learned, right? Frail, then scabbards. One more is what is that? Griddles. Okay, griddles. That's all. And that's all about what? Our poem. And this time you are going to write all the 3 stanzas for your exam. Okay, your what? Weekly assessment. 3 stanzas. So the whole poem you should write. Okay, children? Yeah. So learn it well, read it well, and learn your vocabulary words also. In this back page number 20 it is given. Okay, that also you should learn. Okay, children? See you next class with a what? New topic. Okay, and until then, bye. Thank you.